We went to a birthday party, but everyone was crying. Today is Mia's birthday!
Are you ready to go?
Yes, I have the present. Wow, it is a big box.
What is inside it?
It is a secret.
A secret? Okay.
We'll see about that. Mia will love it.
Let's go to the party.
Wait, look at Mia's house. Why is it dark?
That is strange.
Let's knock on the door. Hello? Mia? Are you home?
Oh, hello everyone.
Hello. Is everything okay?
Not really. Please come inside.
Thank you.
It is very quiet here.
Where is the music? Do you hear that? Someone is crying! Mia, why are you crying? My party is ruined.
Ruined? Why?
There is no magic show.
What happened to the magic show?
The magician called me. He cannot come today. His car broke down. He is stuck on the road.
No magician? But Mia loves magic. I wanted a magic show. It is my favorite.
Don't cry, Mia. We are here for you.
We can do something else. We can play games. I don't want to play games. I want magic.
I am sorry, Mia.
We have the cake soon.
Wait a minute. I have an idea! What is your idea? Follow me, Zara, quickly! What are we doing here? We need tools. What are you looking for? I need a light. Look, I found a flashlight. A flashlight? Yeah, see? Why do we need a light? For our own magic. How can a light make magic?
You will see!
Now we need an empty box. A box? Yes, an empty one from the recycling bin.
Oh, perfect! An empty box.
Like my present box? No, a paper box.
Here is a cereal box. This is perfect! We have scissors and tape. What now? We will draw and cut shapes. Shapes of what? Like stars and animals. It'll be fun. Cool. Can I help? Yeah, you can cut them out. Animals! We will make a shadow show. Wow! This one is a bird.
It looks nice. I am drawing a dog.
Good job, Zara. We need a scary animal. A big dinosaur!
Roar! It is very big.
I love it.
Roar! It's so strong.
Now we need sticks to hold them. Okay.
What are you two doing in here?
Nothing! We are making a surprise.
Shh, it is a secret.
Okay, I understand. Be careful.
We will.
We are finally ready. I am so excited.
Let's go back to the living room.
Yes.
I am sorry, kids. No magic today.
Excuse me, everyone! Please sit down!
What is happening, Leo?
It is showtime!
Welcome to the magic show. A magic show? Really? Yes, just for you.
Dad, can you turn off the lights, please?
Okay, Leo. Here we go.
It is so dark. Don't be scared. Behold, the magic circle.
Look at the wall, Mia.
I am looking. Wow! A big black bird!
Tweet, tweet, I am flying high. Tweet, tweet, I am flying high.
Tweet, tweet, I am flying high.
Woof!
Hello, little bird.
Oh my gosh, a monster! It is a dinosaur!
Help! The dinosaur is hungry!
Do not eat my friend! Tweet!
I am not hungry. I just want to play.
The dinosaur is nice.
This is a great show.
They are very clever.
Wait, what is that? It is a funny bunny. Hop, hop, hop.
The end.
Bravo! That was amazing!
That was the best magic ever.
Who is ready for chocolate cake?
Happy birthday to you.
Sometimes, the best magic is made with friends.